Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to install the DeepSeek in your Windows as a local AI where you don't need any internet to run after this, just by using the Ollama. So start from now, I'm going to show you all these step by step. First, you need to download the Ollama. First, you click download for Windows. And wait for a while. Now it is downloading. As demo, I'm going to just download it on my desktop Ollama setup. Then just wait for a while until it finishes download. It is at here, the Ollama setup. Double click. Install the Ollama first. Just click install and wait for a while until it finishes install. Now it almost finished. Once it finished, then we are going to continue the next. You can see here the Ollama. So if you can see the Ollama means you already installed. Then next you need to just go to the Windows PowerShell. Install the DeepSeek model just by using the command. So now we are going to open the PowerShell. Just type it here, open the Windows PowerShell. At here, you need to type cd c Windows System 32. Paste it here. So all of this link and all of this copy and paste, you can just go to my video description. I already put it there. So now I cd c Windows System 32. I press enter. Enter. So now it already at C Windows System 32. Then next, just choose the model that you want to install. And as demo, I'm going to just install the DeepSeek 7B, the R1 7B. So I copy this and paste it here. Ctrl V to paste and press enter. Now you can see it is start to download, and you need to wait until it finish download. It is totally 4.7 GB. So for all of this, you can install. It depends on your system. Let's say if you have a really awesome computer, you can install this 70B. For me, I'm using the normal computer RTX 3060 Ti. Then I choose the Ollama 7B R1. So here you need to be patient. Just wait for a while. Alright, now almost done. It is totally 4.7 GB, and now it is installing. You have to wait until it finishes. Alright, success. So here you still need to wait for a while until it shows you something. Alright, now once you can see send a message, then it's already done. Once done already, then you can close this. The next step, what you need to do is just scroll down, go to download AnythingLLM. I already put the download link at there. You can go to the GitHub open source or go to the official sites. And as demo, I'm going to just download from the GitHub. I scroll down until I see the download now. Then at here, I download for Windows x64. Same as just now, I'm going to download the installer, AnythingLLM desktop. I click save. And just have a look. Where is the AnythingLLM desktop? So now it is here. I double click and install. So more info, just run it anyway. Anyone who use this computer, I click next to install AnythingLLM. Install. It may take some time to install, and once you already install, you can run it local. So here, just need to wait for a while. It is also downloading some of the library. and this one you need to wait for a while as well. Alright, now it's almost done, and now it is extracting as well. You are going to go through the installation process, and all of this you need to wait for a few seconds. Alright, now you can see it already finished. Then run AnythingLLM. You can choose either you want to run or just don't run. You can just search it from here, AnythingLLM, so it will be here if you don't run. So finish, you just open it, allow access. Now you can see the AnythingLLM is opening. So this one, just wait for a while. Now it is loading. So here, if this is the first time you run it, just click get started. Then from here, search the LLM provider. You can see the suggested model. You can just ignore this. Just scroll down, go to the Ollama, because just now you already installed the Ollama. Then the Ollama model just now, the only one that I installed is the DeepSeek R1 7B. So just now actually you can install a lot, but so far I only installed one. Then next. What is your email? You can skip this, skip the survey. The workplace, you can just type anything here. Just for example, one. Next. Now you can see the workplace is already here. You can have a trade. So now at here, I can just ask a random question, and you can upload any documents. You can upload the image as well. So let me have a test. If I search some image, alright, doc. I download an image first. On the desktop. No. I want to just download a PNG. .png. Alright, now this is the PNG. Then I just search another cat. PNG. So now I have two pictures. We are going to test the DeepSeek as well. So here, I'm going to just upload the file from desktop. These two. Open. I ask what are the differences between these two animals. So I test. I already uploaded the image. So now you can see this one, the AnythingLLM with the DeepSeek, it is run locally without the internet. Now the DeepSeek is thinking, and now this is the answer. So you always can add a new workplace. For example, to save with the workplace here. You can just go and change the LLM as well. Here, if you already installed a few versions of the DeepSeek, just go to the Ollama here, change the model. So far I only installed one, so the second workplace, it is the same as well. I just asked a random question about the 3D modeling, and 3D game dev, how to export Blender 3D model to Unreal Engine 5. Then I send to see. Now you can see now the DeepSeek is thinking. It shows you the solution. Right, can I export as FBX from Blender and import into UE5? So now you can see even the 3D modeling and game dev can answer you as well. You can upload the picture, you can upload any file, and this is really run offline local, the local LLM, the local DeepSeek in your Windows. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to install the DeepSeek, any version of the DeepSeek in your Windows and run it locally in your window, which you can upload the picture and analyze the picture as well. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to you, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy!